Good morning, kids. Yes, now almost the lesson we have completed. So today, what we are going to do, all of you open your textbook, page number 22. Okay, we will complete the lesson reading, and what you have to do, your homework, you have to read the lesson along with the new word meanings. Okay, and one more, you have to write script writing. Script writing. Script writing you have to write page number 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Okay. Write script writing page number 8 and 9. That I will show it to you in this video. So children, till now what we learned about Ralph the rabbit? Yes, he is just making that elephant to get scared from the giraffe. And the same thing, he is going to the giraffe and telling that the animal called elephant, he is very huge, so you cannot fight with it, right? So here the conversation is going on. So what we will do, we will complete the lesson, then you will be able to understand, and I will send you the extra video about this as an animated. Okay children, open the textbook, do your homework, and all of you, you all have to submit your FA1 papers. Okay, as soon as you have to submit. Open your textbook, we will do the reading. As children, let us continue the reading. Till here we have completed. So what happens next? See. Ralph's mind was working overtime. Ralph's mind was working overtime. He wanted to find some way to describe the gentleness of the giraffe. His eyes fell on the giraffe herself as she lay. Faint. She was fainted, right? When she was fainted on the ground, the Ralph mind was working overtime. He was just thinking how much more I can scare that animal in the name of the giraffe. So see, that's her guitar. That's her guitar. You can now get an idea as to how big she would be. Elephant was horrified. Elephant was shocked. Horrified means shocked. That's her guitar. Let me disappear before she makes a drum out of me. That elephant got scared as the Ralph wanted him to get scared. He was very scared of that giraffe. Why? Because the Ralph had an idea. So he shown that giraffe to the elephant. See, that's a guitar. So now you can imagine how horrified, how big that creature will be. So elephant said, elephant was horrified, he was shocked. That's her guitar. Let me disappear before she make a drum out of me. Before she make a drum out of me means before she could attack on me, I would disappear. Saying this, elephant walked away as fast as his big feet would carry him. So as fast as it's possible for him, the elephant walked away from that situation. Soon after, giraffe came around. Soon after, giraffe came around. Getting up slowly from the ground, she told Ralph, I never really cared too much for corn. You eat as much as you can, my friend. Before that elephant gets here, see his size, big as a mountain. Whoever wants to meet him. She trotted away in the other direction as fast as her long legs could carry her. So here Giraffe also said to that Ralph, my friend, you only eat the corn. I was really not care about the corn. I never cared about the corn. You only eat yourself. By saying this, the giraffe in an opposite direction, she trotted away in that as fast as her long legs could carry her. She went from that situation very fast. So what happens next? See. Ralph got all the time to laze around in the sun and eat corn to his heart's content. Here, This sentence shows that Ralph is very happy. He is eating all the corn all alone, right? Trotted. Laze means spend time in a relaxed. Laze means spend time in a relax. So he is fully relaxed now. So he got all the time to laze around in the sun and eat corn of Hertz corn type. Means all corn he could eat alone. As he perched himself on the heap of corn, he went and slept on that corn. He began to wonder why God made elephants so big and giraffes so tall, but gave all the brains to rabbits. See children, how beautifully that said here. The God made elephant so big and the giraffe so tall, but still all the brain means all the talent they have given to the rabbits. So here that might is wrong about the rabbit. Rabbit is not lazy here. He has the brain here. With the idea he made elephant and giraffe both a fool, right? Yes, this is an African folk tale story. So children, how do you like this story? Here again I will send you the video which will explain it to you all together in that video. Okay, observe that video very carefully and read the lesson. Next children, see. Let's learn new words. Already we have written the new words. That all new words we will read it once. See children. Bread means food. Creature, animal. Existence, state of living. Wandering trips, roaming place to place without a plan. Uprooting, pulling a tree or a plant from the ground. Timber means wood. Single-handedly. Single-handedly means without help from others. Sowing. Sowing means spreading seed on or in the ground. Hoeing. Hoeing means loosen the earth around the plants with a long handles. Keep a close watch means pay careful attention to a situation or a thing. Cobs. The part of the maize to which the grains are attached. Glisten. Shine with a sparkling light. Rip. Cut or gather. Tusks. A long pointed tooth. The elephant will be having the long pointed tooth, right? That is called tusk. Piled, place one on top of other. Piled means arrangement. Stacks, neatly arranged. Huge appetite, very hungry. Feast, a large meal, especially a celebratory one. Regret, feel or express sadness or disappointment. Theft, steal away. Panic, sudden fear or worry regarding something. Flee, run away from danger. Opportunity means chance. Ambling, walk or move without any hurry. Furiously means angrily. Mate, partner. Tremble, shake. Gigantic, huge. Gained, monster. Horrified, shocked. Trotted, run faster than a walk. Size, laze, spend time in a relaxed. Understood? These all new words meanings you must know as while you are reading the lesson. Now come to the script writing. See children, this is your script writing. Try until you succeed fully. See children, if you don't remember any answer, so you have to try hard until that answer becomes very easy for you, right? Try until you succeed fully. Okay, this sentence you have to write very carefully by touching the lines. First you trace these two lines. Okay, the dotted lines they have given you, you have to trace them, then you have to complete the page. The page number 8 and page number 9. Put the date at the corner, 21st of September. Okay, see. Hatred begets hatred. affection. These words also you have to copy and write very neatly. Okay children, bye, take care.